Hello guys, this is Land75Y. Sorry, I was running out of time on my last video about showing you everything, all the difference between 6.1 and 6.5 Windows. But this one is the other video that I will provide you so you guys can finish looking at the difference of it. So, like I said, we left in the stocks bar, so everything in the stocks is still the same, nothing has changed. On 6.1, the next tab that will show is just the settings, and that's just, it shows like all the settings for your phone, like customization, sounds, synchronized data, and all the stuff. On the 6.5, Sprint has done something else different though. On the 6.1, the last tab is just the settings, but after the stacks. But on the 6.5, the next tab that Sprint has made available to us is Twitter. So for people that has Twitter though, you guys can log on in here, and then you guys will be able to look at your account and everything. So it's another great feature. I would love to. The Sprint had came out with a tab for Facebook too and Twitter. So for people that not only have Twitter, can access their Facebook or MySpace. Since those are the main web pages that people go to and network and everything. And the next tab is, well, the last tab is still the same, the settings. But on the settings, they have added a little bit more. So for personalization, all the stuff. So on the 6.5, you can customize more stuff of it. Because on the 6.1, if you want to change your wallpaper, you can do it. So like 6.1 is what I'm showing you. So you guys can only put like some backgrounds or whatever. So let's say if I want to choose that one, I'll just go to the actual main one, and that's how we will show the actual background on the 6.1. On the great thing about the 6.5 that Sprint has done and Windows have done it too, is that when you go to personalize, which is the first tab, it gives you more options though. And the first option that you guys will see is Home tab wallpaper, and then it gives you two options. It gives you the weather wallpaper and animated wallpaper. So if you choose the animated wallpaper, I will choose one that looks really cool. It looks this one. So if I choose that one, then go back and then go to the actual main one, as you guys will see, there's like a 3D image on the background. So you will see like this moving on the back, like kind of like a video. So that's a great thing that Windows and Sprint have done. So I mean Microsoft. I mean, it's really cool though how all this stuff lying on the background is really cool how it looks. So, and also right here it still shows like your weather stuff and your location of where you're located, about your background and everything. So it's another great thing though, so you don't have to go slide your finger all the way to the weather tab. Another thing that Sprint have changed on their new 6.5 update is this part right here on top, which is so you can be able to see your memory and everything about your phone. They have taken it out on the 6.5 though, so you're not able to see that anymore, but you have to go to the actual programs and everything. But the great thing that they have changed is that when you press right here on the top on the 6.1, it should show like all your notification stuff. So as you guys can see, it only shows like if your missed calls and your text message, if you got new ones, or emails. I'm sorry. And so the great thing about the 6.5 is that when you click on top, now they have a new feature to it, which is the battery though. So now it tells you the actual percentage of the battery up here. So if you click on the actual battery button at the end, it sends you to the actual battery status. So it actually tells you the actual percentage and everything. So that's the actual main page too though. So which is really cool. Also, the stars have changed. 6.1, as you can see, it shows like all simple and everything. And then if you guys wanna see the rest of your programs, you guys have to go all the way to all programs to see all of them. On the 6.5, you press start. This is everything you have to click though. As you guys can see, it shows much different than the 6.1. Looks much better. So this one is the 6.5, and then there are tools. So if you want to see more stuff about your phone, all the programs that you got in there. So like there is a calculator. So there are some other programs. So also they already have included on the 6.5 a program for Facebook. So which is really cool that they already provided to us, so we don't have to go to the actual website and download it. And they also provide a program for Twitter. So for people that use Twitter, there's the actual program already installed in your phone. Also, the other thing on this one was on 6.1 was on the actual top about your text manager and all the stuff. Now on the 6.5 you have to go to the actual star and then scroll all the way on the bottom and click task manager. There's an actual program that they provided to us. So right here it tells you everything that you want to end the task and all the stuff. So this on 6.5 shows like an actual computer, and then you guys can see more stuff on it, like if you want to see what's processing. So right here it tells you everything that your phone is processing when it boots up and everything. So it's really cool though. Yeah, also the other thing that I really liked that Sprint have changed was the Internet Explorer, which I don't know if many people use Internet Explorer, but I mean for people that have been using Internet Explorer, I don't know if you guys remember, it has like a mixed bug or something that for the Internet Explorer it doesn't look really, it looks kind of crazy though, because if you go to the actual main page on the 6.1, which is this one right here, as you guys can see, there's a whole scroll bar with a lot of empty space. So you guys can see the logo Sprint up here, which should be used to like a couple scrolls to the right, and it should be right here on top though. Which that is on all pages pretty much. Which on the 6.5 they have done a different Internet Explorer and everything for it. So on this one looks much better. As you guys can see, it gives you different tabs on the bottom, and on this one it doesn't got the same problem as this one though. So on 6.5 looks much better, and is better than the 6.1 on the Internet Explorer too though. All the camera stuff, the camera, YouTube, and all the other programs are pretty much still the same, so nothing have changed. So everything else is still the same. So that's the only things that Sprint has changed though, which on 6.5 looks much better than the 6.1. So thanks for watching this video guys. Again, this is Lion75Y. Have a nice day. Bye bye.